A controversial bill to ban the use of some fetal tissue research drew a big crowd at the Capitol today. That's where we find political reporter Jessica Arp. Passion on both sides of this issue today, Jess.
Well, yeah, this bill bringing up both emotions and ethics. Those who were at the hearing today disagreeing over how this bill may affect important research being done in the state and abortion providers.
Science without ethics is a dangerous slope.
Republican Representative Andre Jacques introduced a bill. He's brought it before, saying aborted fetal tissue should not be used in medical research.
We can set a higher ethical standard within our state statutes. Basic respect for human dignity and principled research demands nothing less.
The measure is more timely this session, with recent videos out of a California Planned Parenthood discussing the money involved in sending fetal body parts to tissue banks. A former Texas Planned Parenthood director testified to lawmakers that her clinic had abortion quotas and financial incentives for tissue donation.
We were actually given a percentage of the funds for every woman that we signed up to be in the study. So there was certainly an incentive for us to use coercive and manipulative language.
Absolutely not. Those things are not happening at Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin. They are not happening at Planned Parenthoods across this country.
But Planned Parenthood of Wisconsin officials deny both of those charges and say the bill won't affect their operations as they don't offer tissue donation services.
We follow all state and local laws. We work with medical professionals to respectfully and safely handle human tissue.
But beyond Planned Parenthood, concerns extend to UW-Madison.
I am not here today to talk about abortions. I am not here today to talk about Planned Parenthood. I am here to talk about the legislation that is being brought forward that will shut the door on promising lines of research.
But that talk of abortions was not avoided as lawmakers questioned research being done currently at the university.
Today, currently, across the street, are there scientists using aborted fetal tissue for testing?
I would say, I am proud to say that across the street, there are dedicated scientists who are developing promising new approaches to treating cancer that are dependent on the availability of fetal cells and fetal tissues.
Now, Republican bill authors say that they intend to draft an amendment to this bill to exempt any fetal cell lines that were discovered before 2010, but they still say that no new aborted fetal tissue could be used in research. The biomedical community said today that could cause an exodus of scientists, both public and private, throughout the state, and a chilling effect on venture capital coming into the state for research. A spokeswoman for the governor today said he planned to work with lawmakers to ban practices discussed in the Planned Parenthood videos, but she did not say whether he supported the bill as it was currently drafted. This bill will still need a vote yet in committee, and that hasn't yet been scheduled.
Well, certainly a very hot topic right now. Jessica Arp reporting live for us tonight from the Capitol. Jess, thank you.